I have two web developers on my team, and we use Noibu along with our primary Ecommerce agency to troubleshoot issues that are happening. We've had a number of issues that have come up that we've been able to solve ourselves, whether they're network layer issues relating to IP addresses or other factors. To me, it's a bit of a safety check as well. There's always going to be technical issues that are happening on our website, but knowing that Noibu's in the background monitoring things and keeping an eye on things, that we can be sure that there's nothing, if anything does start to go awry, in a rapid manner, that we'll be alerted to it, we'll know about it, and then we can triage the smaller issues that do come up in a priority basis based on the economic impact of the issue.